Alright, this is part 2 of the Cabrio roof flap at the back on the left hand side and right hand side. See if you see here, look in there, I showed you on part 1. I've just clipped it on, but that spring is not sitting in the right spot. See the spring there, sitting at the top there, so nothing's going to work properly. Alright, so lucky it didn't break off, so I'm going to show you on the other side. Not sure who fitted that, but I just fitted the whole thing properly. I took it all apart. See the spring? Spring have to sit there. There's a slot there for the spring to sit on. So I've taken, this is the one that was like just sitting there doing nothing. So I've taken that off, fit it properly. And now I'm going to slide it back onto the roof. See how now, see that? Well, I'll show you. See there how it's coming back down? Alright? That's how it's supposed to work. But the guy who fitted that before, I can tell it's a brand new part. Didn't even know how it works, so I'll take the left hand side off now and I'll show you, because I've got to fit them properly anyway. So I've got to slide it to the back, take it off. Alright, now I'm going to take it off now. Now it's off. Alright. See how it's not even fitted properly? Luckily I saw it yesterday, because otherwise that will keep moving back and will eventually crack in half and break, and you don't want that. So alright, see how it's not even connected properly. Spring's not sitting on the right spot, so now I've got to, it's hard to actually film doing it with one hand, but okay. Might have to get a tripod for my phone. What I can do, I'll use this. Yeah. That's better. Okay. It'll be hard, but these are gonna just bear with me. So it's gonna go in. It's going to go in there, so a little hole there, that's that part there. It's going to go in, so it's going to go in there, and then it's going to come down, and see the spring, see the spring bit, it's sitting on that, and that goes there, and then now I'm going to put that little arm on top there, and okay. See now I can actually see it's working. See now the flap is going up and down now. Now I can get my phone. See that? See the spring sitting on the right spot. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to fit it with the car. See, okay, now they're both back together now. So this is the right hand side, so you can see. This is the left hand side. See the flaps going up and down. See it more from this side here. Before nothing was working properly. And just the other side. Okay, now I'm all ready for installation. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.